Is reputation management part of your automotive repair business's marketing strategy? Marketing for auto repair businesses has changed drastically in recent years. The days of advertising in phone books, coupon books, or with flyers are soon gone. People want to find a mechanic they can trust, so they turn to online review sites and social media before making a decision on who to trust. Your business depends on the reviews you have, and if you have any at all. Google Plus Local has become the most important place for reviewing auto repair businesses. And review sites such as Insider Pages and Yelp have become a common place for reviews as well. Since Google Plus Local and other review sites show up in Google searches, Google has become the main source of leads for many businesses, especially auto repair. If you're not focusing your marketing around local search, you're missing out on many customers. From mobile websites to Google searches and reviews, online reputation management is key to getting more clients for your business. You can interact directly with your future and current clients on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, and you can improve your image by staying in touch with your customer base directly. YouTube is also a great way to improve your social reach online. Many businesses neglect their reputation and website rankings online, and they don't know where to start. The truth is that most of the leads go to the top 5 Google Plus local listings with the highest reviews. Our company works with auto repair businesses throughout the country to help them get targeted leads through reputation management and marketing. From designing high-converting websites to optimizing them for search engines and then ranking those websites higher, as well as managing your reputation everywhere your customers can find you, we can help your business get a dramatic increase in customers. Let us help you improve your online presence and get you more customers. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you. Thank you for watching.